I can show you how you mix black. To mix black and watercolor, it's super easy. You use a blue, and I will use some ultramarine here. And the brown, and I will use, let me see, I think this is burnt umber, because I like burnt umber with it. And then you will have a nice black, which I can swatch out for you on a random piece of paper. Here is the black. And the fun thing is that you actually can mix different kinds of black, because black is just a bluish neutral color. Burnt sienna is one of these, I don't know. And if you mix burnt sienna with ultramarine, you will have a purplish, warmer black. That's not black enough. Yeah, because there's a lot of water in it. Like, I can mix it darker.